Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I will show you the best way to clean your head. Your head may be very dirty, it may have sweat stains on it, as in my case. By the way, if such stains appear on your head, try to wash it as quickly as possible, because sweat is acidic and this acid will begin to destroy the dyes. As a result, faded and discolored areas will appear on the head. So the first thing you need to do is take a spray bottle, pour 200 ml of vinegar into it and add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Spray the head thoroughly with the resulting solution, paying special attention to dirty areas. Vinegar will help dissolve salt stains and dish soap will soften all the dirt. After such treatment, your head will look much better. After you have sprayed the head well, take a soft brush and rub all the dirt with it. Do not rub hard, otherwise you can ruin the fabric and threads. Next, take a bowl or deep container and pour 3 liters of warm water into it. Then add 1 tablespoon of washing gel to the water. In this case, you should not use boiling water, it will only set the stains and then it will be very difficult to wash them out. Leave the head to soak for 15 minutes. When time has passed, take a soft brush, some washing gel and rub the areas on the head where there were stains and dirt. Now we need to finish cleaning all the stains that are still left on the head. After cleaning, rinse the head under running water to remove any remaining detergent. When the head starts to dry out, the fabric may become faded in areas where there were salt stains. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do about it. To prevent this from happening, try to clean the head as soon as you notice salt stains on it. If you want your head to retain its shape, it needs to be dried properly. Take a bowl that is as close to a head as possible, put it in the middle of the head and put this construction on something. Be sure to put a towel on top that absorbs water well, this way the head will dry faster and all the dirt that remains on the head will be transferred to the towel. My head is dry, so let's see the result. The result is truly amazing. All stains were washed away and no traces remained. As I said, the stains are not visible on a wet head, so I will wet a small area to show you that it is really dry. There were white stains inside too, and now, as you can see, the head looks just perfect. So use this method if you want to clean your head. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.